What up, YouTube? It's your boy dinero, and I got a cool video for y'all. So this is something different. This like on the fashion side of things. I got an unboxing for y'all. Now you feel me? I wasn't gonna really like say too much, but I guess I'll make a YouTube video on it. I guess this is a big accomplishment for me. You feel me? In my journey. So why not share it with y'all? And y'all niggas is gonna find out anyway. So it's like might as well share it. You feel me? So I got a bag right here. Hold on, y'all probably can't see it. Savage X Fenty. Yeah. Your newest, you feel me? Savage X Fenty brand ambassador, you feel me? Model, all that, you feel me? So shout out to Riri, shout out to the team, shout out, you feel me, to God, shout out to everybody, you feel me? Because this is not possible without everybody, you feel me? Everybody who has played a part in my journey, you feel me? This is for y'all, you feel me? Like all of us win. So yeah, man, this is very like dope for me because this is like my first ever like brand deal. And you feel me, like I'm big into fashion. I fuck with Rihanna, ASAP, that's my nigga, you feel me? Like that's crazy. It's crazy as hell. I'm just grateful, bro. Cause like, man, like, you know how it be like days where like, you know, it be real discouraging for you and stuff. This was like when I had got the news that I was gonna be a part of the team, the Fenty X Savage team. I'm like, yeah, it definitely like, okay. And I know I've been needing to make this video for a minute too, so it's like, it's a win-win, so might as well do it right now. It's perfect. Like I was saying though, they sent me this care package of clothes to model. I am gonna show y'all like everything I got. I guess we'll start the unboxing right now. Okay. This, it's like a little shirt. Let's see. Yeah, okay, oh, it's a tank top. Yeah, it's a tank top. Let's say Savage X Fenty on it. Oh, bro. This how the back look. I ain't really a fan of the back. Only cause it got like, only cause you will be able to see my back. You know what I mean? Like, I don't really care for that, but I do rock with the tank though. I mean, this, you know, this is sleepwear, so you know, like it is what it is. You feel me? Item number 2. It's only 4 items. You feel me? Nothing like too crazy. Okay. We got some boxer briefs. Decent. This is decent. Damn. And they just say it all around like Savage X Fenty in a large. Hey fellas, I'm trying to put y'all on, man. You feel me? Look, I'm finna put the fellas on. So now, you feel me? When y'all be with y'all ladies, if y'all not wearing Savage X Fenty, you feel me? Then it ain't no point. You feel me? Like you need to be having, you need to be wearing that Savage X Fenty. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? Yeah, I can do that now. You feel me? I'm a part of the brand, so you feel me? Like nothing but promo, nothing but promotion. Oh, bro. Okay, item number 3 we got. Oh, okay, we got some shorts, some sweatshorts with Savage X Fenty branding. These clean. I've been needing like some new like black shorts. I like the tips on these. They thick, no diddy. I like these. I definitely like these. These something smooth. Like you can't go wrong with a black pair of sweatshorts. You know what I mean? Like item number 4. This a bigger one. What this is? A sweatshirt Terry full zip hoodie. Also, it's a zipper hoodie. Let's see what's to it. Look at this. Black zip-up hoodie. You got the X in the front. On the chest right here. Y'all can see it. And then you got Savage X Fenty on the back. This raw. This raw as fuck. Yeah, I'm fucking with it. I'm definitely fucking with it. Man, I'm gonna give y'all a try on, you feel me? So y'all can just see how the clothes look on me. So this is all I got in the Savage X Fenty unboxing slash haul slash try on slash, you feel me? They gave me some underwear, a tank top, some sweatshorts, and then this hoodie. Grateful, super grateful to the team. Like I said, your newest Savage X Fenty model slash brand ambassador. And I'm just excited where this is gonna take me, you feel me? Like where we gonna go next from here. I do got more videos dropping soon, you feel me? I got a lot of more content dropping soon. And y'all just stay tuned, man. Just keep watching my videos, keep liking, keep sharing. I see I'm growing, you feel me? Like I'm constantly growing, so I'm grateful for that. I do want to give out some shout outs too. Shout out to just my team, man. Like the people who has been around me and who has influenced me to remain positive and to do positive things. I'm forever grateful for y'all, and y'all know who y'all are. You feel me? Yeah, bro, I'm just grateful, man. You feel me? Because like I'm living on my dreams. I get to record myself for a living, and I'm on some fashion stuff too. Like it's the best of both worlds. But that's all I got to say for real, for real. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Deuces.